So, we're running, this is our 5th week of 5 weeks of country waltz. We're ending with the grand finale move with 2 dips. Let's show you the side dip first. So from here, Matt is going to do, we'll start in closed position. Matt's going to do an inside turn with his left hand and then bring me to the right side of his body.
Catching with my right.
And then he's going to do a side lunge to the left, doing a dip. Again, ladies, keeping the legs in and no fire hydrant. Keep the knees together. Okay, so that's the side dip that we're going to add to our grand finale move. We'll do a basic. We're going to do a 3-part cuddle ending with a side dip into a classic dip, flicking back into classic waltz. So we'll do a basic. Inside turn into cuddle. We're going to be moving in a circle. He's going to unwind me and cuddle me from the other direction. I like to switch up the directions. We're going to unwind and do another cuddle. And now we're going to do the side dip from here. And then he's going to wind me out. This is where I'm going to end up. Long lines. And then I'm going to do a self-directed turn into a classic dip. We're going to be here. Coming up. He's going to do a little flick. Catching me back into basic. And off we go. And that is your week 5 tutorial.
Yay!